Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with power and permissions. First, make sure the WF-1000XM3 and case have charge. Low battery causes intermittent pairing. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the Bluetooth settings screen visible so you can confirm the device name. Open the case, remove both earbuds, then press and hold the case pairing button for about 7 seconds until the indicator flashes. This forces the earbuds into pairing mode. Necessary because the earbuds will not appear until they broadcast. You now select the earbuds on your phone. In the Bluetooth list, tap the entry labeled WF-1000XM3. Make sure to choose the correct device if duplicates appear, otherwise the wrong unit may connect. When prompted, accept pairing requests. There is usually no PIN, but if asked, enter 0000. Once paired, the phone will show an audio profile as connected. That confirms both hands-free and media profiles are active. If you want higher quality audio, enable AAC or aptX in your device settings if available. You finish by verifying functionality and adjusting settings. Play music to test sound and use a call to test the mic. Once done, fit each earbud comfortably to optimize noise canceling. For advanced options, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to install firmware and tweak equalizer and touch controls. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding the case button until LEDs flash. Forget the device on your phone, then repair from scratch. This clears corrupted settings and resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.